Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn 1 to 20 numbers. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Black color, pink color, violet color, green color, thick green color, sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, red color. Let's draw numbers. Violet color 1, ONE 1. Blue color 2, TWO 2. Yellow color 3, THREE 3. Black color 4, FOUR 4. Green color 5, FIVE 5. Red color 6, SIX 6. Pink color 7, SEVEN 7. Pink color 8, EIGHT 8. Orange color 9, NINE 9. Sky blue color 10, TEN 10. Light green color 11. Light green color number 11. Sky blue color 12. Sky blue color number 12. Black color 13. Black color number 13. Green color 14. Number 14. Yellow color 15. Yellow color number 15. Blue color 16. Blue color number 16. Yellow color 17. Yellow color number 17. Pink color 18. Number 18. Violet color 19. Violet color number 19. Black color 20. Black color number 20. Once again learning numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Bye kids.